Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's DJ Show One King Legend coming at you here with another unboxing video. I haven't done one in a while, so I got a nice one for you right here. Alright, so as you know, I've been building my sound system for a while now. I've slowed down because of the pandemic, but I'm back on it. Gonna build the ultimate sound system, alright? So I have a brand speaker here that many of you might not know about. But this is the PRV Audio. All right, this is a company out of Brazil. All right, so let me grab my knife. You know how I do my videos, unedited, raw, uncut. All right, I just say it like it is. All right, and I do it as it is. All right, but that's how we do it in the sound system world. All right, so this is the PRV Audio. This company has been around since about 2006 or so. They do have a company now in Florida, which they started a little bit after, probably about 2016. All right, they're based in Florida also. All right, so originally from Brazil. All right, they started out in the car industry. Okay, car audio. So they made it big in the car audio. So now they're branching out to the sound systems. PA and so forth. So here it is, the PRV, all right? Now this is the 12-inch model. This one is brand new. They just came out with this 12-inch here. This is an 800 watt. All right, it's an 800 watt mid-range woofer. All right, so I'm probably one of the first to have this new 12-inch model. Alright, this is not the high-end one. They do have another 12-inch, which is about 2,000 watts, but I don't need so much, alright? I'll just be playing this voice coming out of it. There won't be any bass or low mid, so I really don't need 1,000 watts or anything like that. So, as you can see, I've already taken out one box, and there is another box inside of a box, all right? So I'll go ahead and flip it upside down. All right. Packaged very well. All right, it's 2 boxes, and it's surrounded by cardboard and strapped in very well. So already I'm liking this, all right, because a lot of companies don't do that. All right, so here we are. This is the 12-inch model. This is the 12W800A. All right, like I said, this is the new 12-inch woofer. They do have the 750, which has been out for a while, but now they've made an 800. Okay, so this is 400 watts RMS. All right. All right, so I'm gonna let you see everything after I'm done. All right, so this is the 12-inch model. I do have a couple more of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox. And you can just watch, and I'll explain once I get to the 15-inch, okay? All right. So here we are. It's another box. This one is from Parts Express. All right. You can go to partsexpress.com to order these, or you can go to prvaudio.com to order them straight from the company. Alright, I like Parts Express because they ship very quick, okay? I ordered these maybe about 3 days ago, and they're here today, okay? So, I haven't seen these speakers yet. This is my first time opening them, so I didn't cheat. Alright, I'm seeing them as you are seeing them, alright? So, we got a box inside of a box, because there's 2 speakers inside of this one. Go ahead and flip this one out. I do need 4 of them, but I ordered 3 for now because I still have an old 12-inch that's pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to use one of the old 12 inches I had for the time being because it's not broke, so I don't want to really just put it to the side. I'd rather just use it for the time being until I have all the speakers that I need, then I'll start replacing some of the old ones, alright? So, here we go. Got lots of boxes. Alright, so this is the second one. Alright, we packaged this thing pretty well. I couldn't have done a better job. Alright, so here we are. It's a 12-inch and it's got the push pins. Alright, I'm going to bring the camera over and I'll show you a full close-up of these. But like I said, I just want to get them out the box for now. Alright. You do get a little PRV sticker and you get a little warranty card. Alright, so I know a lot of sound system guys are not using these speakers yet, but I like to support the underdogs, you know? Yeah, I could have went with Eminence or another model because the prices are very close. So it wasn't a price issue. I just wanted to support a new company and, you know, to bring you guys something new that you really can't find on the internet, all right? Especially on YouTube. Like, there's not many videos of these 12-inch woofers here. I think I'm probably the only one with these PRV 800s, okay? So here we are. We have 3 of them. Price is very good for a 12-inch, and I mean, like I said, it's only voice that's coming out of here. I'm not putting any bass or low mid. It will only be voice. And the build quality, I mean, it's pretty solid. All right, I mean, just like you would get with any other Eminence or whatever the case may be. So these are made in Britain. Brazil, all right? All right, so now let's open the big boy. All right, so here we have, make sure this is the top. Here we have the 15-inch. This will be playing my low mid, okay? I'll be using 2 15s to play my low mid. And there's some anchor screws I ordered from Parts Express also. Alright. When you're dealing with heavier speakers, you want to use the anchor screws, the ones that go in and it has the nut behind it in the wood, and so it kind of grabs the speaker in closer versus using a sheetrock screw. You know what I mean? I know a lot of guys use a sheetrock screw. There's nothing wrong with using them on like 12s and tweeters, but when you're messing with heavier speakers, you want to use something that's going to grip a whole lot better. So it also tightens the gap so the air won't leak out also. Alright, so I have a lot of boxes today. Alright. Well, like I said, this is raw and cut, unedited. I don't edit my videos, I just do it, bring it to you as I do it, alright? And these just came in UPS today, so I figured I would do a video today, alright? Because if it sat another day, I would most likely open them up, see what they look like. But I'm sharing the experience with you. And this is the 15-inch. This one is 1600 watts, 800 watts RMS. This box out the way. Hopefully it's in good condition because this one is a little heavier than the 12 inches. Again, warranty card and PRV audio stickers. Alright. This one is a little bit more expensive than the 12s. 12s you can get for about $89 on Parts Express. And this is the 15. This is the 15W16, 1600. So it says here 800 watts RMS. Not sure why they have 3200 watts peak. Yeah, you know how that goes. I don't trust those types of peak wattages, but anyway, I won't be playing nearly as far. There's 3000 watts, so I don't expect it, even if it is true. I'm not worried about that. 800 watts sounds good enough for me, all right? So, make sure everything is okay. Looks good. This cone is tight as hell, all right? All right, so this will be playing low mid, all right? As you can see, all right? This is solid, okay? This is no joke. So this you can get for about $179, all right, on Parts Express as well. What I'm gonna do now is just bring the camera over and I'll show you, you know, what everything looks like, all right? Let me turn this one over so you can see. I'm gonna bring the camera over. All right. Okay. There we go. You can order from prvaudio.com. Alright, and these are called the Alto series. Alright, this is 12W800A, 8 ohms, 400 watts. Okay, RMS, 800 watts program, and 1600 watts peak. Okay. Again, I don't know about that 1600 watts, but anyway, I don't need that much, all right? Even though I can power that, but I'm not looking for it to play 1600 watts at any given time, okay? 800 watts peak, I will say, but 16, I don't know about that. All right, so here are the connectors. All right. Okay, I'll let you see the underside. See what the spider looks like. All right. Okay. See how thick that wire is. Okay. Okay. All right. I'll flip it over, let you see. I don't have this one flipped over already, but here you go. Alright, PRV audio. Alright, nice and tight. Okay. Alright, looks well built to me. All right, here's the 15. Nice red finished. I like that. Okay. Now you can look up the exact specs on these online. I'm not going to go through all of that, you know, specifications. I'm just giving you an overview really quick of what I got today. All right. Just an unboxing. I'll do another video with them inside the box and I'll test them and I'll let you know what I really think of these. All right, but for right now, this is what I'm working with, all right, PRV. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip this one over. All right, here we go. This is the 15-inch. All right. It's a 4-inch voice coil. Alright, 3200 watts peak. This is called PRV 15W 1600. 8 ohms, 800 watts RMS. Alright, 3200 watts peak, 1600 watts program. Okay. This is a whole lot heavier than the 12-inch model. Alright. This is about twice the price. Alright, they do have a 15-inch, which is 1,000 watts for about $100. Alright, that one. It's a whole lot lighter. It's just a straight woofer. Alright, which is 1,000 watts, 500 watts RMS. That one you can get for $99. Alright, also check Parts Express. Okay. So, here are the wires on this one. Alright. I like the way they built this magnet. Alright. So there you have it. Alright. PRV 12s. PRV 15-inch. Alright. I'm DJ Show One King Legend. And I'll see you in the next one. Please remember to subscribe and like. And follow my journey, alright? Let's keep sound system culture alive. And please share the knowledge, alright? Later.